Good morning, students. Myself, Bhubaneswar Sharma. I am going to start a subject of computer networks. And in the second chapter, we have a data link layer. So we have to start with the data link layer design issues first. In data link layer design issues, first of all, we will discuss about services provided to the network layer. Then in the design issue, we will discuss about framing. Then third is error control. And fourth one, we will discuss about the flow control. So these are the design issues. Means whenever we will design data link layer, we will have a problems related to framing, related to error control, related to your frame control. Now after that, we will study data link layer functions. First function of data link layer, it will provide service interface to the network layer. It will deal with the transmission error. It will regulate data flow. It will slow receiver, not swamped by the fast sender. Now we will see the functions of data link layer. In this function, we have a relationship between packets and frames. On the transmitter side, we have a packet, and the receiver side we have again the packets. In the transmitter side, we have a sending machine, and in the receiver side we have a receiving machine. In the sending machine, we have a packet, and inside the packet we have a header, payload field, we have a trailer. So these three things constitute one frame, and at the same time we have a same in the receiving section. We have a header, we have a payload, and we have a trailer. So it means data link layer, understanding the concept of data link layer, we have to study the frame in the sending section and the frame in the receiving section. Inside the frame we have a header, payload, and trailer. Same we have at the receiving section. Now this network layer, it is also very much important, and during this we will also study about the elementary data link protocols and also study the sliding window protocols and also discuss about the sliding window protocols, go back and all this we will study in the operation of this particular sliding window protocol. And during this operation, you will also come to know about every concept of data link layer. Now we study functions of data link layer, functions of data link layer again. Then you understand the relationship between packet and the frames.